Hello, and welcome to your 10-minute morning yoga routine. We're going to start off in easy seat. Place your right forearm on the ground and lean over to your right with your left arm over your head, feeling a nice side stretch in your left body. Connecting with your breath. Inhale back to center. Now come over to your left side, left forearm on the ground, right arm over your right ear. Feeling a nice stretch in the right side body. Connecting with your breath here. Coming back up to center. We're going to come on all fours and we're going to slowly come into our child's pose, knees wide, forehead touches the mat, arms on the ground. It's okay if your forehead doesn't touch the mat here, just sinking into the mat. Slowly starting to wake up. Now come on to all fours into your tabletop position as we prepare for our bird dog crunch. Bring your right arm out, your left leg out, and squeeze. Elbow to knee, just maintaining our balance. Now come back down, lift your left arm out, right leg out, elbow to knee, nice and steady. Good. Coming back to our tabletop position, we're going to bring our hands forward, tuck our toes, press our hips to the sky, come into our downward facing dog, pedaling the feet here a little bit, releasing any tension in the hamstrings. We're going to be here for a brief moment. And now slowly begin to walk your feet towards your hands as we come into our ragdoll pose. So you're still going to be hanging over your legs, bringing your hands to your elbows, and just sway side to side, releasing your lower back, rocking your head yes, shaking your head no. Now slowly start to come up into your mountain pose. Bring your hands to prayer. We're going to do a little sun salutation. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale, standing forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Hold your breath, coming into your plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin. Untuck the toes. Inhale, up to cobra. Exhale, coming into your downward facing dog. Slowly start to bring your feet towards your hands. Inhale to half lift. Exhale, standing forward fold. Inhale, back up to the upward salute. Exhale, hands come to prayer as you come into your mountain pose. Good. Now you're slowly going to come on down, walking into your downward facing dog here. We're going to go through a nice little flow. Inhale your right leg up. Exhale, bring your right leg forward into a low lunge. Finding your balance here, pressing your right foot into the mat. Now you're going to come into an easy twist, lifting your right hand up. If this is too hard for you, you could bring your right forearm to your right thigh. And if you want, keep your right arm up. Connecting with your breath. Now we're going to prepare for a warrior two, placing our left foot down into a 90 degree, bringing both of our arms up into our warrior two, checking our arms here, bending into our right front leg. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, bring it on back for your peaceful warrior. Left hand on your left leg, right arm above you, feeling that nice side stretch. Connecting with your breath here, keeping it nice and steady. Now bring both of your arms down and bring your right leg back, coming into your downward facing dog. Pedal the feet out here a little bit. Inhale your left leg up. Exhale, bring it forward to a nice low lunge, finding your balance, pressing your left foot into the mat. Connecting with your breath here. We're going to come into our easy twist. So remember, You don't have to bring your left arm all the way up. You could keep it on your left thigh. And if you want to take it to that next level, straighten that left arm. Maintaining that balance, pressing your right hand into the mat, connecting with your breath here. Now we're going to prepare for warrior two. So bring the left hand back down, place your right foot at the 90-degree angle. Come on up into your warrior two, lifting both of your arms up, making sure your left heel intersects with the right arch. Connecting with your breath here, maintaining your balance. You're going to inhale, move forward. Exhale, come on back into our peaceful warrior. Right hand on the right leg, left arm above you. Feeling that nice side stretch. Making sure our left leg is bent. Connecting balance and strength. Now come on down, bring both hands down. Come into your tabletop pose, knees under the hips, hands under the shoulders. And we're going to do a couple cat-cows here. So inhale, lift your chin up. Exhale, bring the chin down. Inhale, coming back up into cow. Exhaling into cat, moving at your own pace. Inhaling, opening the chest. Exhaling, bringing everything in. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Good. Now we're going to slowly come onto our back. So sit down on your seat. Slowly engage your core as you come on down to your back. We're going to prepare for our reclined spinal twist. Inhale, bring your right knee towards your chest. Exhale, release it to the left side. Bring your right arm out and look over to your right hand as you gently place your left hand on your right knee. We're slowing down here, connecting with the breath. We're preparing for the day. Just being at ease. Allowing our body to gently wake up. Taking notice to how we feel. Okay, bringing our right knee back up. Releasing the right leg down. Now inhale the left knee up, bring it in close to your chest. Exhale, twist over to the right side. Left arm straightens out. Right hand gently on the left knee. As you look over to your left hand, being at ease here. Taking notice of how your body feels. Taking notice of the stretch. Bringing your awareness back to your breath. Bring your awareness to how you're feeling right now. Good. Now bring your left knee back up. Straighten out your left leg as we prepare for our Shavasana pose. Our feet splay out. Both palms are facing up. And allow gravity to take over. Allow everything to just be. Focusing on an intention you're setting for the day. Being present. Being here. Being now. So thank you so much for joining me with today's practice. You could stay here as long as you like, or gently open your eyes.